Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Dodge Dart made in a 1/18 scale by Highway 61 in this very nice looking color, which is a dark green poly according to the 1971 catalogs. If you like those Mopars, don't forget to see this video thoroughly, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. And here we have the Dart. This car really looks very nice, this 1970 Dart. I just don't like that black spoiler in the rear, but it's okay. The black hood looks very nice. The wheels and tires, the lines in general, the vinyl top looks really great and it's very well made. And as we open the driver's door, we can take a closer look at the interior. A dashboard, which looks very realistic with a steering wheel and seats that tilt and adjust as well. A carpet and the mat, rubber mat on the floor, the pedals, the gauges, steering wheel that looks very realistic, vent windows that open, and just like some other models by Highway 61, the vinyl top, and the door that closes correctly. The color looks great, and the interior is all made in black, and it's very realistic as well. The headliner and the courtesy light, the seats, front and rear seats, seat belts, Dart Swinger logo, and the vinyl top, which looks very good, really, with a chrome trim around it. And the rear of the car that looks very good. The tail lights and the bumper, the Dart Swinger logo, and a trunk lid. Lines in general look very nice. The mufflers and the license plate. And as we open the trunk, we can take a look at inside the trunk with the floor mat, the jack, the gas pipe, and the trunk lid itself with those hinges that look very realistic and closes correctly. The rear deck and the window, the rear window, the vinyl top with the trim that look very good. Glass switch is very realistic as well. Rear wheels and tires, really like those dog dish hubcaps. And as we open the passenger door, we can take a better look at the interior from this angle. The dashboard is really very realistic with the black and the wood grain pattern. The sun visors and the seats, seat belts, the carpet as we can see, gear lever, door closes correctly as well. Chrysler Pinstripe, and the front. The front end of this car looks very realistic. This grille looks very good. These auxiliary lights, those blinkers actually, and the headlights, the trim, the Dodge logo. This front looks very good, and this hood and the flat black looks really nice. I always use tiny needle nose pliers to remove the clips so I can unclip the hood and pop it open, and this way I'm not gonna lose them. They're very tiny and very easy to be lost. As we can see, they're really tiny. And as we pop the hood open, we can see this very nice 340 with 4-barrel engine. It's all made in orange. The engine bay is very realistic in all details. As we can see, nothing really was missed. Hoses and the alternator, cables and wires, battery, water reservoir, brake system, the engine bay itself, clip posts, and the engine bay, as we can see, the hinges and the hood that closes correctly, and the antenna looks very realistic, and the trim around the windows, the windshield, and the windshield wipers. One more look at the clip and a clip post. As we can see, is a tiny tool, really. It's a tiny piece. One more look at the front end and the wheel and the bottom of a car. This is a very realistic base in the body color, and the engine and tranny, drive shaft that spins, rear suspension, a gas tank, rear axle, gas tank, the trunk tire, spare tire bay, mufflers, and the floor of the car, which is very well made, and all the structure, the front suspension, everything is very realistic in this car. The wheels and tires very accurate as well. Dart Swinger logo, which is the quarter panel, and looks really very nice. So this is a car I really advise one to have in a collection, especially if a car is a Mopar fan just like I am. I would give this car a 10 from 0 to 10, really. I like those Dodge Darts. The only thing I don't really enjoy so much about this car is that rear spoiler on the trunk lid, but that's something that was optional at the time. I wouldn't choose to have it, actually. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all comments and suggestions you guys give me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and to give me a thumbs up, okay? And as usual, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.